The health benefits of dill. Dillweed is a feathery green herb which is used for cooking delicious meals and is packed full of nutrients. This comes from the Anethum graveolens plant and was used as a soothing medicine in ancient Egypt at least 5,000 years ago. In today's video, we will explore 20 facts and benefits of dill and explain why this is excellent in the human diet. 1. Antibacterial. Dill is an excellent herb for fighting off infections such as cold or flu. It has been shown to have antibacterial effects and can kill off harmful microbes. Many farmers plant dill near wheat and barley because it helps to prevent harmful fungal infections from infecting crops. 2. Depression. Many people suffer with depression and low mood, which can cause problems in their day-to-day lives. Dillweed has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for depression. Studies show that dill acts as a natural antidepressant due to the many phytonutrients it contains. 3. Athlete's foot. The natural compounds found inside the dill plant help to fight off fungal infections, especially on the feet and between the toes. You can apply dill essential oil to the problem area to fight off candida and heal this problem naturally over 1 to 2 weeks. 4. Pickles. Dill is commonly used to add flavor to pickles and fermented vegetables. The leaves and crushed seeds can be used to impart a wonderful flavor to these and provides additional health benefits. 5. Anti-aging. As we get older, our cells can become damaged by free radicals. Dill contains monoterpene effects, which helps to reduce the effects of free radicals in the body. Dill acts as an antioxidant, helping to protect the body from advanced aging. 6. Menstrual cramps. It is recommended that women get more herbs like dill, coriander and ginger into their diet. These have been shown to reduce painful periods and menstrual cramps by improving blood flow. 7. Insect repellent. Dill oil is also one of the best natural pest repellents in the world. It has been shown to help kill off harmful bugs. We recommend applying a little dill oil to outer door frames and windows to keep bugs out of the home. 8. Epilepsy. Epilepsy is a common neurological disorder which can cause seizures. Dill extract has been used as a traditional medicine to help treat this problem. Malaysian studies show that dill extract acts as an anticonvulsant and can reduce seizures as a natural alternative. 9. Breastfeeding. Nursing mothers may consider eating dill seeds on a regular basis. These are rich in magnesium, iron and calcium. These minerals support healthy breast milk production. Dill leaves are also a rich source of folate, which is very important during the pregnancy stage of fetal development. 10. Reduce stress. If you are suffering with stress or anxiety, then you can make a poultice by mashing dill leaves. Apply the paste to the chest and gently inhale the aroma. This has a natural calming effect on the body, which was noted by the ancient Egyptians and can reduce symptoms of stress, nervousness and restlessness. 11. Settle stomach. Traditionally, dill was used as a carminative to help settle the stomach, especially for infants suffering with colic. The name dill comes from the Saxon word dillen, which means to dull a restless child to sleep. This was also fed to Roman warriors to ease digestion. 12. Skin health. You can also apply dill paste to the skin to help fight off acne and pimples. The antioxidants in the plant help to fight off harmful fungal and microbial infections of the skin and reduce redness and swelling. 13. Essential oil. You can purchase dill essential oil to use in aromatherapy. This can be combined with other calming oils such as ylang-ylang or jasmine to calm the body and mind. This is often placed in oil burners or massage oils. 14. Fish recipes. Dill is most commonly used for cooking dishes which involve fish. It has a strong, distinctive taste similar to a combination of fennel, anise and celery with warm undertones. We recommend Dover sole with lemon, dill and leeks. 15. Nutrients. Dill contains beta-carotene, vitamin C, manganese, folate, iron and calcium. It is also rich in phytonutrients and antioxidant compounds which help to rejuvenate and protect the human body. 16. How to store. Do not wash dill until you are ready to use it because it wilts very quickly. This should be kept free of moisture if possible, especially before storing in the refrigerator. Keep this in an airtight container for up to 10 days. You can also add a paper towel in the container to absorb any moisture and keep the dill fresh. If harvesting your own dill, you may store it in the freezer for up to 6 months. 17. How to use. We highly recommend using chopped or whole dillweed in soups, salads, casseroles, stir-fries, stews, meats and with eggs. It is also used by many chefs in healthy dips such as hummus or works well with mustard. 18. Dill tea. You can make a soothing tea by simply steeping dill in 1 cup of hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. This tea can be sipped to settle the stomach, provide a sense of peace, treat hiccups, reduce flatulence, swelling and insomnia. 19. Side effects. Dill can cause skin irritation in some people when applied directly to the skin. It may also trigger an allergic reaction for those who are allergic to plants in the carrot family. 20. Caution. Always consult a doctor before using herbal medicine, especially if you are taking existing medications or prescriptions. Sometimes herbs can interact with these drugs. As you can see, dillweed is a fantastic herb for supporting a healthy overall body and can be easily introduced into the diet. We highly recommend consuming dill leaves slightly raw or uncooked to protect their delicate antioxidants and phytonutrients. These work well to add a unique flavour to salads and as a finishing herb for meats. To learn more about superfoods and nutrition, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening, a like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.